Yeah.
It is a lot more work than you're supposed to do. Before you guys were dancing with the two heels on the floor, that's not dancing. You rubbing yourself against someone else. A baby can do that, bro. Like for real. A baby can do that. But now, oh, what's up, baby? You right there? Hold on a second. Guida, we're gonna stop him. Motherfucker going on for 30. Yeah. All right. So there you go. That was Guida training. All right. So see, that was Guida training. That's beautiful Guida right here. As you see, a Kizomba Canada material in your house. There you go. Guida, shake that. And Guida, if you guys see behind the cameras, it's Guida doing all that. Good job, my people. There you go. Go get the go, get the go, get the go. And her dreads. And her dreads are real, okay? This is her own hair, okay? No part, not rented, not now. That's all her hair. Yeah, she's a beautiful Haitian woman right here, okay? You know me, I love me some Haiti shit. Hey, non ne va, yeah. Classic. Non ne va. Get that for the love. All right, there you go. No, stay right here. Let's go.
Okay.
Mommy, come on. That's a quick video, yeah. Okay, and bring us up. shit. It was a rough night. Yeah.
No.
Your man was good, man.